Welcome once again, and let's talk about Terra Classic price prediction, market cap before the crash of Terra Classic, and if Terra Classic gain $5 billion market cap to $40 billion market cap, can Terra Classic hit back at the price it was as of last year, April, about $115 and $130 price? Remember, this coin right now is trading at 0.0003, and I believe, yes, this coin is going to really increase in price. But now, as of when Terra Classic market cap was trading at $41 billion and $42 billion, Terra Classic was trading between $115 and $130. Now, what happens if this coin gain half of that cap, or if Terra Classic gain 10%, which is $4 billion market cap of that, or if Terra Classic goes ahead to hit back at that $41 or $42 billion, with Terra Classic hit at, will be trading between $100 and $130, because believe it, even though you have $100 right now, you'll be making a lot of money, because $100 and Terra Classic hitting 1 cent is about $10,000. So hitting $1, you're already making $100,000. Now imagine $130 or $115. Well, to me, it's not going to work that way again, because right now Terra Classic with a market cap of $5 billion, Terra Classic might be trading just between 0.009 or 1 cent. Yes, and believe it, if Terra Classic market cap also goes ahead to hit $10 billion, this coin might be trading between 10 cents and a market cap of about $41 or $42 billion. Let's say the same market cap this coin was trading before the crash of Terra Classic, or let's assume Terra Classic hit between $45 billion and $50 billion market cap, then Terra Classic might be reaching or might be hitting $1. You might be saying, why $1? Because at the same market cap, Terra Classic was trading between $115 and $130. But to me, I think this is crypto industry. That's the way this works. So that period, that year, this coin was actually trading so many times that even BTC have really dropped down in terms of market cap. Now, Bitcoin was actually trading at $67,000 when BTC market cap was trading between 1 trillion and 1.2 trillion. But right now, BTC have actually hit $24,000, $25,000 with a market cap of a little bit over 500 billion. So imagine BTC, imagine Bitcoin hitting 1 trillion. With the way the statistics, BTC will be hitting towards $30,000 or $35,000. So if BTC hit back at its all-time market cap of about 1.2 trillion, then it simply means Bitcoin might be hitting between 40,000 or 15,000. So BTC will not even reach that $67,000 with same market cap the way things are going. But for Terra Classic, this coin really cried. The price really dropped. So hitting back at that price might be at $1 for about 30 billion or 40 billion market cap. But right now, Terra Classic market cap is trading between 900 million and $1.3 billion market cap. Now remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision. Please kindly subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next video.